Ah, yes, Halloween night. While the children of Whoville carved pumpkins and filled their candy buckets, the Grinch sat up on Mount Crumpet with a wicked grin. Christmas was old news, but Halloween? Now that was a holiday he could get behind. He painted his dog Max Green and called him Frankenpup. He carved jack-o'-lanterns with angry frowns instead of smiles. And instead of handing out candy, he handed out broccoli. That's right, broccoli. Imagine the horror. The Grinch cackled as he TP'd his own cave just to look more festive. He went trick-or-treating dressed as himself. Because really, who's scarier than the Grinch? He swapped out candy corn for actual corn and filled candy bowls with Brussels sprouts. But the truth is, despite all his Grinchy tricks, the Whos didn't mind. They laughed, they sang, and they even thanked him for the broccoli. And for one night, the Grinch discovered that Halloween wasn't about tricks or treats. It was about being a little silly, a little spooky, and a lot together. So if you ever wonder what the Grinch does on Halloween, just look for the house with the scowling pumpkins, the howling pup, and a bowl full of broccoli. If this gave you a giggle, subscribe for more twisted takes on your favorite characters, because the Grinch isn't done yet.